I could not believe how bright these were. During the day, these lights look so nice, but just wait until you see them at night. These are full die-cast aluminum. They've been 500 hours salt spray tested. They're built to last. They can stay out in the elements, whether it's -4 Fahrenheit or 104 Fahrenheit. Nothing you throw at these can hurt them. These are super simple to put together. The light bulb is replaceable, and these are backed by a 10-year warranty. If you have any issues, if there's any defects under normal use, they will replace or refund you. As you can see, at night is when these really shine. 2700K soft downward glow, 120-degree beam. These are perfect at 6 to 8 feet apart and really light up the location. I could not believe how bright these were. They look beautiful, and I'm probably going to add more. You can see I have a few other lights here, but these are the brightest ones, and I really like how they look at night. So if you're looking for a light for your home, a good pathway light, definitely check out the HIBOITEC 4P low voltage pathway lights. Putting the HIBOITEC together is very easy. Just unscrew that top off. You're going to put the bulb in just like that. Screw the top back on. Then on top of the light, you're going to screw the shade onto that. Now you're going to run the wire through this pole right here, noting that the threading will be at the bottom. Then we're going to screw the top on first, and then we're going to put the stake on the other end and screw it all the way in. Remember, you need a transformer in order to make these lights work. Once you've laid all your low voltage wire, you're going to take the 2 wires at the bottom. You're going to insert it into this adapter. We had to bend the ends a little bit to get it to stick in there. You may be okay and get them in there, no problem, just the way they are. Push it inside there and clamp down. It's going to have a little pin in there to lock it in place. And again, put the other end in there, do the same thing to lock that in place. Finally, we're going to attach this to the wire that goes to your transformer. You can see there's 2 pins there, one that goes on the top side and one that goes on the bottom. You're just going to click that into place and you are done.